Hi, Chrisostomo here, and I'm going to tell you about 5 reasons I've really enjoyed the Vlog Academy. The first one was it's a really safe place to learn to vlog. Gets rid of all of those tensions and worries about being in front of the camera. The second reason is I really enjoy the sense of community, being in a group with some individuals and you're all talking about the highs and lows of vlogging. I've really enjoyed the resources as well. They've helped me to structure my vlogging and bring it together in a really structured way. I've also really enjoyed the little hints and tips videos that Me does. They're really insightful, really useful. I think most importantly, the 5th reason is it started making me think, should I be doing the job that I'm doing? And maybe vlogging and something in that area is really where I should be. So if you're interested in vlogging, I would highly recommend this course, and why not check it out on the vlogacademy.com.